It's caveman to spaceman.
Hey guys, Theo, CEO of CloudNC, here with Jeff Maki, founder of Maki Precision. Jeff, tell us what you do.
We make things. We've been in manufacturing for almost 35 years.
And what are your pain points? What's difficult about this business?
Our CNC programming is the most difficult part of what we do here. It's difficult with programming, time consumption, missing deadlines. It's the biggest problem we have. Mm-hmm. Through CAM Assist, we get a lot more productivity.
And now that you've got it, what is the difference that it's making? How is it changing your business?
It's caveman to spaceman. It's moving from hours to minutes. It's unbelievable. It's not perfect, but it's unbelievable the challenges that we had and the solutions we're seeing with moving from print and 3D model to actual programming. Getting close to the finish line, but not to the finish line, is better than not getting out of the starting gate. And so we feel like it's a tremendous solution for our business model. I'm all in.